The HumanShape app is designed to be applicable to a wide range of design problems. The inspiration for this is the challenges that we and many others have encountered in trying to bridge the gap between 3D body shape and size information for populations, these large, complex data sets, and the need to make quantitative design decisions about the shapes of products. This is particularly complicated for things that go on the head and face, or for clothing and equipment that can only be made in a small number of sizes and yet needs to fit a large range of people. So these are on the right, you can see some of the product categories that we've worked on with our collaborators. In-ear devices, over-ear devices, XR headsets, and helmets and masks and so on. Any product designer who is working on head-mounted, head-worn devices knows that the available data are pretty weak. And most importantly, when you look up these data in a table, they're almost always for the wrong population, rarely the dimension that you actually need. And what you don't have are the correlations among the dimensions or the ability to create head forms that target particular dimensions relevant for your product. The whole body models are particularly useful for clothing and personal protective equipment. We've also found that people who need quantitatively accurate representations of human variability for product ideation can really benefit from the ability to quickly scroll among different individuals in the population. And these are not artists' conception of what a person might look like. These are not avatars generated for entertainment purposes. These are real human body shapes that define the shape spaces that we're working with here. And this is also a tool that can be used by experts. Anthropometry experts are often approached by product designers with a specific question, and unfortunately, the answer has often been in the past that the needed data are not available. We'll have to do a study. Well, now we can do studies retrospectively. If you need some new dimension from the head that no one had ever measured before because your product is unique, we can go in and measure that. We can do that for adults. We can do it for children. We can also do it on the hand. We can do it on the foot, any part of the body. So for more information about these tools, you can contact me directly. You can see my email address there. You can also contact Body Shape Licensing for information on how we provide subscription access to the tool. And I'm also happy to provide a demo. We can give you a demo login so that you can demonstrate it to your team and gain an understanding of how this can really change the way you use three-dimensional information in design.